What is Docker? Docker is a tool that helps developers package applications with everything they need, like the code, libraries, dependencies, and system tools, so that it runs anywhere, regardless of the environment. Think of containers on a ship. Every container can hold different goods, electronics, clothes, food. But all containers fit perfectly on the same ship, no matter what's inside. Similarly, Docker containers hold applications with their own setup, but they can run on any machine that has Docker. Whether it's your laptop, your friend's PC, or a cloud server. Why use Docker? Problem before Docker. Small diamond, you build a PHP or Node.js app on your machine. Small diamond, it works fine for you. Small diamond, but when you send it to someone else or deploy to production, it breaks. Why? Because they have different versions of dependencies, or their environment is not set up like yours. Solution with Docker. Small diamond, you write a Dockerfile that says, small diamond, use Ubuntu, install Node.js version 18, copy my app, and run it. Small diamond, you build a Docker image from this. Small diamond, now anyone can run that Docker container. And it works exactly the same. Key Docker terms. Dockerfile, small diamond, a text file with instructions to build your Docker image, like a recipe. Image, small diamond, a snapshot of your app with its environment, like a cake made from your recipe. Container, small diamond, a running instance of an image, like someone eating a slice of cake. Docker Hub, small diamond, a cloud storage for Docker images, like GitHub, but for Docker. Let's go through a basic Docker example step by step, using a simple Node.js app. Step 1. The Dockerfile. First, we create a file called Dockerfile, with no extension. This file tells Docker how to set up the environment for our app. Here's what's inside. Step 1. Use a base image from Node.18. This means, start from the official Node.js version 18 image. Think of it like using a ready-made operating system with Node.js already installed. Step 2. Set app directory workdir app. Now we're saying, inside the container, our app will live in a folder called app. Step 3. Copy files. Copy. This command copies everything from our current folder, on our PC, into the app folder inside the container. Step 4. Install dependencies. Run npm install. Here, we tell Docker to install all the npm packages, just like you would normally do with npm install. Step 5. Start the app. cmd npm start. Finally, this line tells Docker, when the container starts, run npm start to launch the app. Step 2. Build the image. After creating the Docker file, open your terminal and run this command. Docker build my node app. Build a Docker image using the current folder, and give it the name my node app. Step 3. Run the container. Now, let's run our app inside a container using Docker run p3000 to 3000 my node app. Run the container based on the image we just created. And the p3000 to 3000 means, connect port 3000 inside the container to port 3000 on my computer. Now, if your app runs on port 3000, you can open your browser and go to http://localhost port 3000 to see it live. Recap. Small diamond, Docker helps apps run the same anywhere. Small diamond, it packages code plus environment together. Small diamond, you use a Dockerfile to define setup. Small diamond, build an image, run a container. Which file is used to define the instructions for building a Docker image? Drop your answer in the comments below. A. Docker compose. YMLB, Dockerfile. C. Package. JSOND, build. Config. JS. If you found this Docker tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like, and if you want to learn more about web development, Docker, and dev tools, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a video.